welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kitan. So today I'm doing an everyday makeup tutorial, a little get ready with me. Honestly, I really have to go. I'm about to miss my flight. In Jesus' name, I will not miss my flight. But I'm here in Vegas and I just wanted to quickly do a little everyday makeup routine, show you guys how I do my little thing. So if you're excited about that, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more videos from me. Let me know what you want to see from me. Comment any tips and tricks that you guys have as well, because I mean, I've been doing a lot of the things that I've been doing for a while now and they work for me, but I'm always down to switch things up. You know, I'm always down, so let me know. And everything I will be using is going to be linked in the description box. Everything that's linkable, I'll link it so you can check it out. But yeah, that's it. I don't know what else to say, but yeah, let's get into the tutorial. I'm actually in Vegas right now. I was here for the Netflix slam, which was absolutely amazing. Like, oh my gosh, I probably have some content on my TikTok or Instagram. You can go check. Excuse me?
Oh, hi, I'll just do one of them, okay?
Oh, yes, thank you. I need to check out in the next hour and head to the airport, so we don't have much time. But I did want to do this video and I said I would, so here it is. I already just like put these little clips in my hair. I was thinking, should I pack it back? Let me just do a little clip situation so it's not in my way. I'm just gonna run through everything. So I started off already with some sunscreen. I am using the Supergoop. It's the Supergoop Glow Stick. Let me just put some more on because you can never have too much sunscreen, okay? You can never, ever, ever. So, and I love how it just makes my skin glowy. You see that? You see that glow? You see it? And my skincare has actually been doing a little bit of something lately too. So if you want to see that, definitely comment anything. I got you. Thank you also for the love that you guys have been giving me for my return to YouTube. I really appreciate you. I'm always wondering like when you guys have been following me from, like where you are in your journey, or if you haven't even been following me at all and you're just like, I just want to see some makeup. Don't worry, it's fine too. I just used this lip oil from Clarins. I like it a lot actually. It's in the color strawberry, so it does leave a little bit of a little, what do you call this thing? Pinkish, reddish hue to my lips, but I like it. It's really moisturizing. Next up, we've got primer. I use the Milk Hydro Grip. You see, I'm always rebuying this like without fail because I just love it so much. So yeah, we're gonna use just like 2 pumps of the primer just to get a little grip going. Okay. But yeah, y'all, this has been such a great trip. Like, I haven't really been saying yes to a lot of things lately because I've just been kind of overwhelmed and I just didn't really want to take too much on. But I've been trying to do that more in 2024. And also, y'all know I love tennis. Like, the fact that I got invited to come watch Nadal and Alcaraz play was like a dream come true. Next up, after my primer, I am going in with the Yummy Skin by Danessa Myricks. So we love a good glow, okay? If you know, you know. So yeah, I just put that on as well just to intensify the glow that we have going on, because why not? Let's do that. Okay, next up, because I don't even have time. I don't even know. Honestly, is this a bad idea? I don't know. Will I miss my flight? I don't know. Next up, after glowing, then I move on to my brows. Brows are next, and we've got the Patrick Ta Major Lamination Gel. It has this wand that you use to like, okay? I just kind of like push my brows up. It's pretty convenient, and then do the same to this side, and it literally, as soon as you put it up, it just sticks up. Did my camera just die? Oh my goodness, I can't. I'm going with the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat, and it's in the color, I don't know the color, I'll tell you guys. It's not showing me quickly. So I just use that to just kind of like fill in my brows, like mostly in the front, because I don't know where my front brows went, but they left. So I bring my brows forward like this much. Listen, you do what you need to do, okay? So, and then I just kind of fill in the tails as well, because I don't know what those went as well. And honestly, I blame threading, I blame waxing, I blame everything I've ever done to my brows, because where they go? And then, blah, 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 where is it? Too Faced Born This Way Concealer, the color Chestnut. I just use that to kind of like define my brows. Oh my gosh, I'm just thinking about if I have time for this. But you know what we're gonna use as the benchmark for this? We're gonna say, once my food comes, hey God, once my food comes, I have to be done. We're just going in with it. Then, so now we define the brows. My sister just did a video, I don't know if she's already posted it, but where she's trying like Uche's makeup tutorial. And like when she came into the room, her makeup was flawless. Like, Uche, you're that girl. We already know Uche's that girl. And like, I sit there and I'm like, okay, I need to actually go and learn some technique. So now we've got the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation. I just kind of do 2 pumps, and it's just, it really does give a really nice base. It is really full coverage, but I like it just so it doesn't even waste time. You see, it doesn't waste time at all. I just kind of dab in with this brush from Sephora. It's a buffing brush. I have so many of this brush. Like, I even have a mini one that I carry around with me. Let me even see if I have it. I have a little baby one as well. I love it so much. It's just a really great brush. So yeah, just dabbing that in. What's your favorite social media platform? Like, I used to love TikTok. Like, don't get it twisted. TikTok used to be my favorite, and it's not like it's not my favorite. I just feel like I don't like wasting so much time on TikTok. Like, I feel like you could just get sucked in, and I don't want anything that can just suck me in like that. So TikTok is it's not like it's not my favorite, but it's just in moderation. Yeah, so right now I feel like I'm really loving YouTube, like a lot. I'm watching vlogs, I'm watching the girlies do their thing. Oh, next up I have the Too Faced Born This Way concealer again that I use for my brows, and I just kind of put that in like the concealer areas, which you can see here. And then I'm gonna go in with the lighter version, and this is in the color Caramel, and I just kind of go over that because I kind of like a little bright under eye. And then, you know, same thing with this here. Then I'm using my Real Technique sponge to just, you know, do a little thing underneath my eyes and all the places that I put concealer. I use it dry as well. You're allowed to use it dry. You can use it dry or wet. I just like using it dry because I feel like it just makes it more, I don't know, compact. I feel like when it's wet, it just kind of spreads all over, and I'm just like, relax. Blended. Okay, then I go in with my Laura Mercier powder, which I feel like the girlies are not trying to use anymore, and I'm like, what happened? What happened to Laura Mercier? I thought we loved her. So anyway, I go with my Laura Mercier, and I just use my little triangle sponge and just kind of dab into areas. I actually sometimes use the Charlotte Tilbury press powder, but mine broke. It broke. Let me just show y'all. It broke on me. Look at that. How you just gonna break? I don't know if you can see it. Oh, so that's the end of that. I'll probably get more because I do like the way it looks. I like the way it makes my under eyes look, but we move. I just put that in the areas that I just concealed. Then I go in with my Real Techniques, what is this? I don't know, contour brush, and my Fenty for my contour, and I just put that. So here, 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 here. Here, here, here. I follow up with my Fenty Mocha Mami. It's a bronzer. Oh, it is. I just love how red. It's like more of a reddish color, so it just adds a little bit of color to my little situation that I have going on. And then I go in with my Sephora Pro Crease, and I use this. If I'm trying to do just like something natural, I use that for like my eyeshadow. I don't even have time. I just put it there, and it's such a pretty color. It's like reddish, brown, and beautiful. So that's the vibe for my eyes. Next up, I'm just going with my NYX eyeliner, and I just put that. I just do a little wing liner. Sometimes it's a lot, sometimes a little, but just something to like define my eyes. Okay, let me continue about Vegas. So Vegas has been fun. Like I said, I did the Netflix slam. The girls at Netflix were amazing. I met some really good people, and I just feel like it just gave everything it needed to give. Like, I wasn't sure what I could expect. Next up, I'm using my Bobbi Brown shadow stick. I use it in my inner tear duct to give like a little bright under eye. I had actually a group of friends who were here in town, but they were going out, and it's been a long time since I've been out in Vegas, and it's just not really where I'm at in life right now. So I didn't go out. And then I just use some mascara. I'm using the YSL, ooh, you didn't tell me the name, Lash Clash, YSL Lash Clash mascara. And I use that for under my eye. I currently have lash extensions in, but sometimes I just kind of like put some on. I'm about to do my lips, and then we're gonna spray our setting sprays. For lips, I'm using the Sephora liner in Molasses. This is my favorite liner in the world, okay? Like, ever. There's no rhyme or reason to this, okay? Just make sure that you get it. You get it where you fit it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. I switch up my lips all the time. I'm always doing some lip tutorial, but I'm also using the Ami Colé, which you can see is basically almost done. The Ami Colé lip oil in Excellence. And I just use that to just create a little two-step, not too much situation, you know? So that's the lips. Also went in with my Real Techniques powder brush and some of that Laura Mercier just to like make everything all set. And then for the setting spray, just make sure there's no lip gloss on my lips, you know. But for the setting sprays, I use the Viral Combo, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray and then the One Size Finish. Start off with this Charlotte Tilbury. Okay. And let that do its thing, let that cook. Let it cook. And then just a little bit. And then I go in with, sometimes I let it dry, but honestly, like I said, I don't have time. Not today, okay? And then I go in with Patrick Starr's One Size. And your makeup's not going nowhere. It's not going a single where, okay? All right, let's pack it up. I'm trying to pack up while also doing this. So I'm basically done with my makeup, and now I'm gonna do my hair really quickly so you guys can see it. It's just a quick one too, because this hair is amazing. Like, the curls be staying. This is from last night, okay? Like, it's still here. My number one focus when I do my hair is like my bangs, and I use this tool that I got from Amazon, which low-key, like, it started to act up, but you know what? It's really inexpensive, so I don't even care. And I just kind of grab my little front bangs and just roll it up. This is pretty much all I'm gonna do, especially since I'm just going to the airport. Like, I'm not doing the most. So I just roll it like that, and I just use my hands to just, y'all, you saw that transformation. I mean, so now it's kind of like that feather 70s Farrah Fawcett situation, and I'm done. Look at that. I mean, what else is there to do? Okay. My food's here. Okay. Hello. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you. Okay. My food is here. Just wanted to show you. It means I really gotta go. But luckily, we're done. We're done because there's nothing else to do. Alright, well, let me know what you think of this look. You know, pretty simple, not too much, but just right. That's how I feel. You know, if you like this video and want to see more makeup videos from me, let me know what else you want to see from me, because I need some inspo, okay? But I have a lot of good stuff coming up, so make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you like this video if you liked it. Make sure you tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, okay, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!